Bangalore extracts roughly 800 million liters of groundwater daily, and nearly half of our urban borewells have already dried up. Right now, apartment facility managers handle water logistics completely reactively. That is, booking private tankers only after a storage sump hits empty. This triggers emergency panic surge pricing and leaves communities with zero visibility. To break this reactive cycle, I have built AquaMind. AquaMind is a GPU accelerated intelligence platform. It turns fragmented infrastructure, telemetry, and weather feeds into a simple, actionable directive for apartment managers. Looking at the system architecture, our data pipeline handles real-time rainfall data via the Open Meteo API and watt calibrated building consumption telemetry. This data drops into cloud storage as the landing zone and is processed within BigQuery. From there, NVIDIA acceleration layer utilizes Rapids and QDF to handle high-speed feature engineering, fueling our rule-based decision engine. And it triggers Gemini on Cloud Run to synthesize these data variables into conversational text. Returning back to the live dashboard, uh, instead of overwhelming the manager with generic charts, we have uh, simple insights. That is a chart showing the number of tanker bookings per ward and buildings requiring attention. There is a feature of Ask AquaMind Why. What this does is when you click, for example, considering this HSR layout, if I say Ask AquaMind Why, the Gemini enterprise agent processes this live data matrix and gives the diagnostic explaining the exact stress factors. Uh, to make real-time decision intelligence possible across 1.46 million rows of data, uh, switching from standard pandas to NVIDIA Rapids QDF delivered a consistent 1.9 to 4.5x speed up. This performance speed up is what shifts the app from a lagging batch dashboard to an instantaneous optional insight. AquaMind turns an unpredictable urban water crisis into organized data-driven workflow. Thank you.